Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be really short. Just wanted to show you guys what I got going on in case you were looking to change up the interior a little bit. Show you guys. Get in there. That is that bolt hole right there. Everything lines up. One end's super nice. Like I said, lines up perfectly flush. Everything, seat went back. Head back around. Little bit of a gap by the door. Might be this has a little more padding. Let's see if I can zoom you guys in. This is a little bit of door gap. I mean, nothing terrible. If you get the other doors, I bet that probably fills that gap, the rest of that gap. But these are from a 2013 Acura ILX. And the reason I'm doing this is because eventually I'm going to be swapping out the interior. I'll show another video of that. But I wanted to show that you could do this with other parts. You don't need just specific for your Honda Civic. You could go with maybe an SI or something like that. But you got to do your research. You got to make sure you have parts that are compatible. And in the end, it's going to be a little bit of a risk that you're going to be taking. Like I said, a little bit of gap with that door. Nothing terrible. I mean, you can see the scratches on the door. So when I got this car, it came like that. So I'm going to be changing these doors out anyway. And when I do, I'll keep you posted on whether or not that gap gets filled. But I mean, it's not going to hurt anything having that, like I said, that little gap. It's just aesthetically. But the main purpose of this video is to show that you can switch out parts. And then, you know, that they are interchangeable. Because I know sometimes our biggest fear is about buying a part and it not fitting, which I actually had a problem in another video that I haven't posted yet, where I purchased a part and it didn't fit. But I'll have that in the, I'll talk about that in that video. But I just wanted to show that this actually can be a viable option if you want to black out your interior and potentially go with a leather option, because they don't sell these bolsters. I haven't been able to find them unless you want to buy the skin itself off of Honda Parts Now, and it's like $200. These cost me about $30 off eBay, so got them at a great price, a whole new bolster, and works perfectly. Alright everyone, if you like this video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, really helps out a lot, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Take care.